Welcome to SuiteTrails, your ultimate guide to immersive travel experiences. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey through Zagreb Bohemia, showcasing 7 unique tours and activities that will connect you with the enchanting Croatian culture. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Admire the mesmerizing beauty of Plitvice Lakes National Park in the company of a professional guide as you enjoy a memorable hike and boat ride. Start your day with transportation by van. Then, get ready to savor the spectacle of 16 azure lakes surrounded by gushing waterfalls as you explore Plitvice Lakes during an 8.5 kilometers hike, train and boat ride. Immerse yourself in the culture and history of Croatia as you gain fascinating insights from your guide, and experience fantastic views across the Croatian countryside on the journey to and from the park. Marvel at the fairy tale village of Rastok en route to the park, and get snaps of its 17th century watermills. Number 2. Immerse yourself in the vast beauty of Croatia's largest national park, nestled between the Mala Kapela and Lika Plesivica mountain ranges. Book your ticket to Plitvice Lakes National Park and hike through lush forests to gaze at stunning tufa formations and cascading lakes. Choose from 7 routes and 4 hiking trails to explore this pristine landscape year-round. Witness the magic of 16 named lakes and countless smaller ones, flowing one into another. Discover the upper lakes, offering gentle shores, or marvel at the lower lakes, boasting steep cliffs and impressive waterfalls, like Sastauci. Join nature enthusiasts who've cherished this park since receiving its national park status in 1949. Number 3. Discover how it was to live in Zagreb during the turbulent years of its recent history on this walking tour with a local guide. Get a closer look at the Croatian homeland war as you visit sites such as a basement used as a shelter during air raids. First, visit the World War II underground tunnels presenting the history of Croatia and Zagreb through the 20th century, including World War II, almost 50 years of communist Yugoslavia, and the fall of communism in Croatia through the Homeland War. The tour finishes in the basement used by locals as a shelter during the air raids on Zagreb. Learn about the details of the Homeland War presented through a video presentation. Number 4. This is the perfect opportunity to customize your own tour. You can hop on, hop off at any stop to explore Zagreb at your leisure. With this service, you can pick and choose your journey and discover everything there is to see of Croatia's historic capital. With just one ticket, you can get on and off at as many stops as you like. Free Wi-Fi is provided on board. Make the most of all the advantages and discounts that your Zagreb City Tour booklet provides you with. Just present your booklet when purchasing the listed services and save money. With the coupons, you get discounts at selected attractions, shops and restaurants in Zagreb. Hop on Hop Off Zagreb City Tour operates every day and is the best and cheapest option to see the main attractions in the Zagreb in the shortest period of time. Number 5. Take a day to capture the spirit of magical Slovenia, visiting the 2 most cited Slovenian gems. Take a scenic drive from Zagreb and discover the countryside, before exploring Ljubljana and the alpine resort of Bled. Set off in a small group, max 8 people, from the capital Zagreb and enjoy a scenic drive through the beautiful Croatian and Slovenian countryside. Get familiar with the itinerary for the day, as well as information about the sites you are visiting and the general history of Croatia and Slovenia. Arrive at Ljubljana. On your arrival, your guide will take you on a walking tour around the city center. Besides seeing many historical buildings and monuments, you will climb up with funicular to the 13th century medieval fortress, a symbol of the Slovenian capital Ljubljana. There, you can see spectacular views of the town and Alp mountains in the distance. Gain a deeper understanding of the city's landmarks and more confidence to navigate on your own for the next 2 hours of your free time. Continue to the alpine resort of Bled. Upon arrival, ride up to the top of the cliff which seats the oldest castle in Slovenia. Be hypnotized by the views of Lake Bled, surrounded by stoic mountains. The whole castle is one big museum where you will learn all about Bled's culture and history. After about 45 minutes at the castle, descend down to Bled town which sits on the edge of the lake. Go explore, sit down for a coffee, order the famous Bled cream cake, Or if you are more adventurous, rent a bicycle and do a spin around the lake. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy a scenic ride back to Zagreb. Number 6. Your tour starts in Zagreb when your driver picks you up at your accommodation. Ljubljana is the first destination on the route. A unique small capital with abundance of charm, green parts and easygoing inhabitants. Hear about Jože Plečnik, a world-famous architect that marked the city. Next, visit one or both of Slovenia's most famous attractions such as Lake Bled and the Postojna Cave. Lake Bled is Slovenia's most popular tourist destination, a beautiful lake with an island in the middle and a castle overlooking it. Postojna Cave is an underground complex of 27 kilometers. A small train takes you inside the cave to walk through a system of tunnels, galleries and chambers with astonishing dripstones. See an olm, amphibian salamander living inside the cave. If you choose to, you can also visit a Predjama castle, a gorgeous fortress built into a 123-meter-high vertical cliff. At the end of the day, your driver will return you to Zagreb to your accommodation. Number 7. Explore the Zagorje region, Croatian countryside dotted with small hills, vineyards, and castles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.